welcome back to my channel. Oh man, it feels good to say that again. Haven't said it in so long. It has been like 2-3 months-ish since the last time I did a video, and I know I went kind of MIA, and I'm so sorry about that, but I ended up having to kind of take a mental health break. Had a lot of things going on in my personal life, just, you know, it's a lot of stuff that kind of made me not really want to record. I tried to record several videos for you guys, and I didn't like the way they turned out. Like, you could tell my energy was off, so I was just like, let me take some time off for myself, get my head right, and come back to filming when I feel ready, because I don't know, you could just see in my whole mood that everything was off, and I didn't even want to watch myself editing the videos, so I was like, nobody wants to watch this, so I just took a break so that way I could come back kind of refreshed for you guys. So I'm back. But I know not everybody really cares why I took a break, so for those of you who care, I'll respond more in the comments section. I will probably not make a video about why I took the absence that I did. You know, it's just a lot of personal reasons, but I just want to say I'm feeling better and I'm back to it. So let's get into today's video here. I have, for my comeback here, the Battle of the Boxes Glam Bag versus Glam Bag X. Ooh. And of course, when you get the Glam Bag X, I haven't figured out if you can also get the Glam Bag Plus. I think it's one or the other. Like, if you sign up for the Glam Bag X, they take the cost of that one, kind of like with the BoxyCharm, they take the cost of the Glam Bag Plus and add it towards the Glam Bag X, and I think you're only able to get 2 boxes per the month, not all 3 versions. I still haven't quite figured that out. So today I just have these 2 versions to unbox for you. The $12 bag and the, I believe this one's $55. Let me double check here. Yeah, $55, so it's quite an expensive box here. It is every 3 months. You're supposed to get 7 to 8 full-size products that are always going to be curated by a celebrity. Oh yeah, and it says right here, it replaces the Glam Bag Plus. So that just confirmed it. And yeah, so this one, since I didn't talk about it with the very first box, this one replaced the Glam Bag Ultimate, which honestly, I am extremely happy that it did. I felt like the Glam Bag Ultimate was just like I don't know, I think it was a little bit of a miss with how they were doing it, so I'm glad that they started something new with it. I know this one is done with Khloe Kardashian, I believe. And you know what, I'm just talking about it so much, so let's do this one here at the end, the smaller version. Let's start with the X. I'm giving all the deets about this one, so we might as well. I'm gonna get my little baby scissors, slice on in, and open it up. I feel like I'm gonna be rambling a lot in this video. It's been a while since I've done a video. I'm all over the place. But here's a sneak peek at our box, which is pretty cute how they're doing this whole deal. It's like a little newspaper you get with it. It says issue number 2, so it's the second Glam Bag X. We got Khloe Kardashian in the front here, and then we got all of the products. It has a little note about why Khloe picks each item, prices, and all of that, which is cool. I like that they include that. I'm just gonna get started with the first thing I see on top here, which is something called Tower 28. Shine On Milky Lip Jelly. It's a tinted lip gloss, you know, a little bit sheer, very shiny. Maybe I'll just pop this over the lip color I got on. Smells pretty sweet. Figured might as well. It doesn't look like it has that much of a color, so it wouldn't probably be that much of a standout on the lips on its own, but just adds a little glossiness to the look I already had. And not sticky, just very like slippery, which is nice. Slippery. What words am I saying now? I need to I need to get back to it, Nessa. Like, what is this? Slippery texture. And I feel like we kind of just gotta see what she says about the products and why she chose them for the box. I can't help but, you know, wonder why. So let's read this part. She says, why she loves it is the gloss lives in my purse for easy touch-ups over whatever lip I'm wearing. Okay, simple, sweet, straight to the point. She likes wearing it. All right, let's go for item number 2 now. And I wanna go for this bottle. It says Pink Diamond by Rodile. This is their cleansing balm, lift and illuminate. Luxurious cleansing balm to remove makeup and dirt while visibly transforming the appearance of the skin. Okay. I mean, that sounds good. If this is like a really good makeup removing kind of balm is what it seems like. It's a cleansing balm to remove the absolute heaviest of makeup. It has a luxe melting formula infused with vitamin E, almond oil, and rice germ oil to nourish while you cleanse. Okay, that's nice. I prefer using a cleansing balm at night, so I think I'll definitely work this one in. And let's see, do we want to know what Chloe says about it? She says, after my glam team goes hard with a look, this cleanser is a lifesaver at night. Item number 3 here. It looks like a complex culture product. This is the Rose Quartz Sculpting Stone. I think this was one of the choices for the Glam Bag X. I did not make a choice this time around. Like I said, I've been kind of completely MIA here, so I haven't made any choices for my bags. I'm gonna get back to it next month. I'm gonna be more on it. Oh, I dropped it! Oh, and it comes with a little leather pouch. And then here's the stone. You can keep that in there to keep it safe, which is good because I already dropped it. I think you're just supposed to use this like in a certain way, and it's supposed to help depuff the skin and do some certain things. I'm not really that big on using like the sculpting stones, but I know that some really are into it and say that they see some benefits. I haven't probably used them enough to say any opinion about it. Oh, actually there was 3 choices. So for these next 2 items, they're gonna be a random choice that Ipsy selected for me since I didn't get to choose my items in time. I completely missed it this time around. But just off the name off of this one, I'm pretty excited about it. So this is the Olaplex No. 0 Intensive Bond Building Treatment. This is supposed to prime, repair, strengthen, and protect all hair types. Ooh. 2-part system with No. 3 Hair Perfector. Okay, so we do not have No. 3 Olaplex. This is No. 0. That's kind of like neat. That's how they get you. They're like, you gotta get the other part to the other part system. But I feel like you could probably use this on its own. I feel like you could still get some good benefits from it. But let's go for the 3rd random selection here. This one is by Aceology. This is their overnight lip mask. It says it's exfoliating, hydrating, and smoothing all in one. You're supposed to apply a generous amount to the lips prior to sleeping. When you wake up is when you wipe them with a damp cotton pad to remove it. So you just leave it on overnight and it's supposed to give you all of those benefits. Baby soft lips by the time you wake up. Which actually, that was a random mix there. I should have just stuck with all the Chloe stuff and then done that one at the end, but let's continue with the Chloe curated items. So these were the first 2 of her selection. It was the makeup cleansing balm, the lip gloss, and then now let's go for her 3rd curated item. And this one is the ABH Brow Pen. Ooh, oh, they actually gave me the right size. Blonde, or not size, shade. Oh, and it's got a little felt tip. Ooh. So you can see the little marker strokes there. That's the blonde shade. I would 100% use this. I feel like that might be really nice to get some like feathered in brows. Let's not forget to see, why does Chloe love it? She says, I pretend like I'm drawing on little hairs and brows are perfected in no time. Yep. But let's go into the box again one more time. This is our second to last product now. It is the 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. Wow, this is an expensive one. I mean, 111 Skin is very, very pricey. It's a high-end line. The bottle looks like so. I mean, I can't help but think like it's Khloe Kardashian. She's definitely gonna use some bougie stuff on her face. You're supposed to mix this in with your favorite moisturizer. Put 1 to 2 drops. It's formulated with Rosa Damascena and pure gold to enhance the natural radiance of skin for a coveted dewy lit from within complexion. Wow. Not a bad scent. Kind of like a rosy scent, but not an overwhelming one like the ones I hate, which is good. All right, last item inside our Glam Bag X. This one I'm very excited about. This is a One Size by Patrick Starr. This is the Visionary eyeshadow palette. And here is what she looks like. You guys know I gotta do some swatches, so let's do that real quick before anything. Man, these shades swatched beautifully. I am freaking pumped about that blue. I really want to see that on the eyes though. I mean, swatches only tell so much, but man, do they look good. So it's 15 shades, 9 of them are matte, and then there was these 6 that are shimmers. Super duper pretty. And let's see here, Chloe says, I stick to the top row for a day-to-day glam, and on the weekends, I'm all about that blue. That's what she says about the palette. And that was actually the last item for the Glam Bag X. It has been completely unboxed now. And I mean, honestly, not a bad selection. I do have to say, I 100% prefer this over the Glam Bag Ultimate. I think it was a smart move on them switching away from the Glam Bag Ultimate. I think that one had such a huge hit and miss for the longest time. Like, you could get some good ones, but most of the time it just felt a little bit random, and it was also just too much. That one was every single month for 50 bucks every month. It was a lot of product, a lot of themes that didn't really feel like themes. I think them switching over to this like celeb curated every 3-month box, automatically I love it more just because it feels a little bit more special. And I think the products seem a little bit better too. I remember thinking the products were just kind of random with the Ultimate, and especially getting like those sample items, it just felt very stuffed. So I mean, so far 100% Glam Bag X is the way to go. Glad they got rid of the Ultimate. Anyways, that was the Glam Bag X. Let's keep it going. Let's unbox our $12 bag here, the original Glam Bag. This one's been a minute since I unboxed. Oh, there's something. Oh, there it fell. Right on the outside here. This one was left out just because it didn't fit inside the bag. But it says the theme of the month for this bag is flower power. I'm guessing it was for Mother's Day because it has little "We Love Moms" on the back. And then to go along with that theme, we got a pink flower bag. Very cute. And this Glam Bag, the $12 version, is the one that has only 5 deluxe size items. Most of the times I do sneak in that like 1 to 2 full-size items inside the bag, which is always really nice, but this one is supposed to just be sample size products, which actually, you know what? Let me start with this one that was outside the bag. This is the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana Cream. This is not the original scent, the one in the little yellow tube. This one's the coconut flavored one. Flavored like you're gonna eat it. Scented, which personally I do enjoy the smell. A lot of you guys, we got this one in BoxyCharm box, and a lot of you guys were saying it smelled like popcorn. I don't personally smell that. I really enjoy this scent and the other one, which actually the original scent I just got from Sephora, they have a perfume now of that original scent. I use that every single day now. That fragrance, let me get it. Let me show you. She looks like this and she smells amazing. It's the Brazilian Crush Body Fragrance Mist. Can't get enough of it. I am obsessed. Random, off topic, didn't come in the bag, but remind me because of that. But anyways, love the moisturizer too. Moisturizer is really nice and I enjoy this scent as well. Okay, but let's go back into the bag here for our second item. This is the Beauty Crop Stuck On You Eyeshadow Primer. This one is full size. And I recognize this one. We got this in a advent calendar this past Christmas season or winter season. Wow, feels like forever ago. Comes in a little pot with the product. You take it out on a brush, you kind of dab it out over the lid. And it worked out pretty well. I can't tell you that I replaced my go-to everyday eyeshadow primer, but it did work out well. You know, it was good. But I mean, pretty sweet that you got a full size there. Told you guys to do that. Then let's go for third item in the bag here. This is the Sugar Cosmetics Contour de Force Mini Blush in Peach Peak. Oh, this is actually a full size too. This kind of looks like Kylie Jenner, or not Kylie, who's the other one? Kendall. Focus, camera. Am I the only one who sees that? Does that not look like Kendall? Kendall-ish vibes. Maybe it's just because I got Kardashians on the brain right now. And it looks like a very pretty, pale, kind of light peachy shade for blush. I would be all about this. Then we got, for our fourth product here, another full size here. This is a Lasting Smiles Strawberry Cream Blended Beverage Organic Lip Balm. Holy moly, that's a long name. Kind of glad we got a full size lip balm. Oh, that smells good. Ooh, it smells like candy. Oh my goodness, that scent. You just put a little balm on top. And then we got our last product in here, which again is another full size. The Glam Bag Original here, just coming in hot. This is the Jaunty Bleu Felt Tip Eyeliner Pencil in Black. Very liquidy. Right down here is a swatch of the felt tip liner. Just did a couple test ones here. I feel like this is one you gotta use pretty light pressure with. It feels like it's extremely liquidy. So I feel like you gotta be very careful with this one not to get too much liquid out, or that could be kind of bad. But it did dry down pretty quick here. And it does also claim it's supposed to be waterproof. So let's see here. We actually ended up only getting one travel sized item, which was the Coco Cabana cream. And the rest of the items were full size in this bag here. I mean, that's honestly really good for the $12 bag. I would love to see Ipsy do so many more of these bags where they have the full sizes in the smallest version. I think that makes it so worth it. Because just in this bag alone, let's do a quick calculation here. Oh, I didn't even do the value of the Glam Bag X. I'm gonna go back and do that for that one. I've been out of it for so long that it just totally slipped my mind here. So let's see, for the smallest bag here, we have a value of $51.49. Definitely really good for our $12 price. Let's jump back over to the Glam Bag X and do a quick value calculation there. I totally forgot that. The Glam Bag X here, we ended up getting a value of $323. Totally spaced on that. Wow, it's been a while since I have done an unboxing of these boxes for you guys. I promise next time I will have a little bit more of my thoughts together, be a little bit better with this, because I feel like I was a little bit all over the place here with this time. But that was it for the unboxing of both our glam bags for the month of May. I was pretty happy with them. I don't know, what are your guys' thoughts on this? Do you guys like the switch up with the Glam Bag X versus the Ultimate? I know this is technically the second version now, but you know, it's the first one we're doing here together on my channel, so I want to hear your guys' thoughts on all of this. Let me know down below in the comments section, and I look forward to hearing from you guys and talking to you guys down below. So if you liked today's video, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!